What is up, you guys? It's your girl Anita, and today we're going to talk about the Ridgid Oscillating Spindle / belt sander. There's a few reasons why I love this thing. Alright, so first off, I am an epoxy woodworker. I do epoxy and wood projects, right? And this thing is a beast. It takes a lot for it to bog down, and there's a lot of really cool features on it. Let me show you. So you got your belt sander, of course, and it's so easy. You got your stop on here. You can also move this and get it out of the way. So stick it back here, get it out of the way. And this thing is like super easy to change everything around. Let me show you. So this comes off like this. I need new sandpaper on here. I was just doing a YouTube video. Let me show you how easy it is to take the sandpaper off as well. So this right here, you just go like that. I like to flip it. Yeah, it's dirty. It's a used tool. And then this just slips off. And so then this goes back here. And you take this off. And you stick it up here. And it just locks in. And then this guy goes right there. All right, another neat thing is this table. So if you loosen this, you can get different angles. So say if you, don't forget to tighten it. So say if you have your stuff on an angle like this, you can come up, you can reach your angles, no matter if you're going on, like if it's around and you're doing the inside or the outside. So this thing is really cool. It's got adjustable angles. It's got them all numbered right here. The degrees, you see? 22, 15, you see? All right. I just keep it tightened. Okay, so say you want to use a spindle. Let's get the big boy. Okay, get the big throat. And get this one. And what we do is we put this guy on. You like my sound effects? You put this guy on. And don't forget, it's got a reverse thread. It's got a photo, and it even tells you. But I still forget sometimes. All right, and then this tightens all the way down. Don't forget that nut under there, because it will be loose if you don't use it. And there you go. All right, so it also has this stop that swings around, and it locks right in there. You lock it, and there you go. So I mostly use it for the belt. I'm sure you could use it for this too. It does hit, but I just use it for the belt. This thing is amazing. I use it all the time. Right now, I just got it out for a YouTube video that I'm doing a bottle opener, and I was just shaping the edge, and I'm like, oh my god, I need new sandpaper. And on the move, I think I forgot. I only had 2 sheets here, and that was the last one. So I got some more ordered. I'm gonna link down below this amazingness right here. I also have another one. I've owned it for like a year, but I never set it up yet. So we're gonna do this one. This here is a disc sander and a belt sander. So this is the Buck Tools, and I want to do that for my knife handles and things like that. It's probably nothing that this one couldn't do. I just buy stuff. So like I said, I got it a while ago. I want to do some knife handles, and I'm gonna do it with that. So some of the belts that I've bought in at like local hardware stores, they're not, like, I feel like they don't fit right. So the ones that I get are off Amazon, and I will link those as well with this. But this thing is amazing. Like I said, it's really easy to shape like my skateboards to get those round edges. If you're ever going for an angle, I made some hexagon, like honeycomb pieces, and I have done some rings, clocks, things like that. It's really nice to get your round edges. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my tool of this week that I'm going to feature on my YouTube channel. I do mostly woodworking and epoxy work, and this thing is a beast. It takes a lot for it to bog down, and I'm really hard on my tools. So if I'm recommending it, I'm recommending it. This thing has came in handy so much. All right, you guys, like, subscribe, and I will catch you on next time. We're gonna, I'm gonna finish up this bottle opener, and we're gonna get that YouTube video up soon. Hopefully today I can finish it up. I bought some bottle openers off of Amazon, and we're gonna get that done. All right, you guys, so like, subscribe, share if you want to. If you don't, I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to link this guy down below along with the belts and the spindles that I use, like the sleeves that I use with this thing, okay? All right, guys, I'll see y'all next time.